Meditation is a practice that has been around for centuries and has been practiced in different cultures all around the world. It is a mental practice that involves focusing the mind on a particular object, thought, or activity to achieve a state of relaxation and mental clarity. In this article, we will explore the history and origins of meditation and how it has evolved over time. The practice of meditation dates back to ancient times, with evidence of its practice found in Hindu scriptures dating back to 1500 BCE. It was originally practiced as a spiritual practice, with the aim of achieving spiritual enlightenment and transcending the physical world. The practice spread to other parts of Asia, such as China and Japan, where it was incorporated into Buddhist and Taoist teachings. In Buddhism, meditation is an essential part of the practice, and is used to develop mindfulness and insight. The practice involves sitting in a particular posture, focusing on the breath or a specific object, and observing one's thoughts and emotions without judgment. The ultimate aim is to achieve a state of enlightenment, or nirvana, which is said to be a state of pure consciousness and liberation from suffering. In China, meditation was incorporated into Taoist teachings, where it was known as Qigong. Qigong involves breathing exercises, physical movements, and meditation, and is used to cultivate and balance the body's qi, or life force energy. Qigong is still practiced today in China and other parts of the world, and is often used as a form of complementary medicine. In the West, meditation was introduced in the 1960s and 70s through the teachings of Indian gurus such as Maharishi Mahesh Yogi and Swami Satchidananda. Their teachings emphasized the benefits of meditation for reducing stress, improving mental health, and achieving spiritual growth. Today, meditation is widely practiced in the West, with various styles and techniques being taught and practiced. One popular form of meditation in the West is mindfulness meditation, which is based on Buddhist teachings but has been secularized and adapted for Western audiences. Mindfulness meditation involves focusing on the present moment, observing one's thoughts and emotions without judgment, and cultivating a sense of acceptance and compassion towards oneself and others. Reduces stress and anxiety. One of the primary benefits of meditation is its ability to reduce stress and anxiety. Studies have shown that regular meditation can lower levels of cortisol, the hormone responsible for the body's stress response. This, in turn, can lead to reduced feelings of anxiety and an overall sense of calm. Improves focus and concentration. Meditation can also improve our focus and concentration. By training the mind to focus on a particular object or thought, we can develop our attention and concentration skills. This can be particularly useful in our busy lives, where we are often distracted by technology and other distractions. Enhances emotional well-being. Meditation has been found to enhance emotional well-being by reducing negative emotions such as anger, sadness, and fear. By cultivating a sense of mindfulness and acceptance, we can learn to observe our emotions without judgment and develop a more positive outlook on life. Lowers blood pressure. Regular meditation has been found to lower blood pressure, which can reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. By inducing a state of relaxation, meditation can also reduce the body's overall stress response, which can have a positive impact on our cardiovascular health. Improves sleep. Meditation has been found to improve sleep quality and reduce insomnia. By promoting relaxation and reducing stress, meditation can help us fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. Boosts immune system. Regular meditation has been found to boost the immune system, which can improve our overall health and well-being. By reducing stress and promoting relaxation, meditation can improve the body's ability to fight off infection and disease. Increases self-awareness. By developing a sense of mindfulness and self-awareness, meditation can help us understand ourselves better and develop a deeper sense of empathy and compassion towards others. Spiritual meditation is a form of meditation that is focused on connecting with a higher power or spiritual energy. This can be done through prayer, visualization, or other techniques that are designed to enhance the spiritual experience. One of the benefits of spiritual meditation is that it can help us feel more connected to something greater than ourselves. This can provide a sense of purpose and meaning in life, which can be particularly valuable during times of stress and uncertainty. In addition, spiritual meditation can help us cultivate a sense of gratitude and compassion towards others. By focusing on our connection to the divine, we can develop a deeper sense of empathy and understanding towards others, which can lead to more fulfilling relationships and a greater sense of community. Loving kindness meditation involves focusing on sending love and compassion to ourselves and others. This can help us develop a greater sense of empathy and understanding towards others, which can lead to more fulfilling relationships and a greater sense of community. Transcendental meditation involves using a mantra or sound to help focus the mind and enter a state of deep relaxation. This can help us reduce stress and anxiety and improve our overall sense of well-being. Despite the many benefits of meditation, there are still some misconceptions and misunderstandings about this practice. In this section, we will explore some of the common misconceptions about meditation and clarify some of the misunderstandings. One of the most common misconceptions about meditation is that it is only for people who are spiritual or religious. While meditation has historically been associated with spiritual and religious practices, it is a secular practice that can be used by anyone, regardless of their beliefs. Another misconception about meditation is that it requires a lot of time and effort to practice. While it is true that some forms of meditation, such as transcendental meditation, may require more time and effort, there are many other forms of meditation that can be practiced in as little as a few minutes per day. A related misconception is that meditation requires complete silence and stillness. While some forms of meditation may involve sitting in silence, there are also many other forms of meditation that can be practiced while walking, exercising, or engaging in other activities. Another common misconception is that meditation is a form of escapism or avoidance. While meditation can provide a temporary break from the stresses of daily life, it is not meant to be a form of escapism. Instead, meditation is meant to help us develop a greater sense of awareness and acceptance of our thoughts and feelings, which can help us better navigate the challenges of daily life. Finally, some people may be hesitant to try meditation because they believe it is too difficult or that they will not be able to quiet their minds. While it is true that meditation can be challenging, it is important to remember that it is a practice, and like any practice, it takes time and effort to master. Additionally, the goal of meditation is not necessarily to quiet the mind completely, but rather to develop a greater sense of awareness and acceptance of our thoughts and feelings. Meditation has numerous long-term benefits that can positively impact our physical, mental, and emotional health. In this section, we will explore some of the long-term benefits of meditation and provide some tips for beginners who are interested in incorporating meditation into their daily routine. One of the most significant long-term benefits of meditation is its ability to reduce stress and anxiety. Studies have shown that regular meditation can help to lower cortisol levels, which is the hormone that is released when we are stressed. This reduction in cortisol levels can lead to a decrease in symptoms of anxiety, such as racing thoughts and feelings of unease. In addition to reducing stress and anxiety, meditation has also been shown to improve overall emotional well-being. Regular meditation can help to increase feelings of happiness, contentment, and gratitude, while also reducing feelings of anger, frustration, and sadness. Another significant long-term benefit of meditation is its ability to improve cognitive function. Regular meditation has been shown to increase focus, attention, and memory, while also improving overall brain function. This can lead to improved performance at work or school, as well as a greater sense of clarity and mental acuity. For those who are new to meditation, it can be challenging to know where to begin. However, there are several tips that can help beginners get started on the path to meditation. One tip is to start with short meditation sessions of just a few minutes each day. As you become more comfortable with the practice, you can gradually increase the length of your sessions. Another tip is to find a comfortable and quiet space to meditate, where you will not be disturbed. This can be a corner of your home or a quiet outdoor space. It can also be helpful to experiment with different types of meditation, such as mindfulness meditation, guided meditation, or mantra meditation, to see what works best for you. Finally, it is important to approach meditation with an open and non-judgmental attitude. It is natural for the mind to wander during meditation, and it is important to accept this and gently guide your focus back to your breath or chosen focal point. I hope that this video has provided you with valuable information and insights into the practice of meditation. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to share them in the comments section below. Lastly, I kindly ask that you follow, like, and share this video with others who may benefit from the information presented here. Your support helps us to continue to create valuable content for our viewers. Thank you for watching, and happy meditating.